Everybody, welcome back. Today, as you can see, we got snow finally. A lot. Well, not a lot yet. We've got about 3 inches on the ground, maybe 4. We got more coming here tomorrow, actually tonight, about midnight through Saturday morning. So yeah, we got a good couple days of snow coming up to 5. Well, everybody's different. 5 to 10, 6 to 12. We'll see what we get down here. Southeastern Minnesota, we'll find out. So but we're getting some of our getting corn stalks put in for the cattle right now. We just got done. They got pens bedded already before I got here. So we're gonna get this part done now. We were gonna do it Saturday, but we want to get ahead of the storm, get something out here for the cattle. They're out, so we got to get stuff going. So that's the plan. So stick with us. Two? Yeah. There's only 3 in here, so. Close it.
So what we're trying to do is lift these up so then it's not rock hard for when you have to put the stack around it. So basically so we can move it.
That up.
Come on, yeah. Yeah, yeah. There. We did it too perfect. It just sits there. What? What'd you say?
What side he wants to go to?
We'll probably, well, there ain't no sense of pushing out until it snows down.
What's that?
Yo, I'll probably push up course out if you want to push it over, I'm sure.
I would push it up now before it snows.
Well, I'm gonna push it up now.
Yeah.
But I'll go over and bust them loose and then I'll go get the foot.
Just got down on the north side. Now we're gonna head over to the south side and do that. Howdy, Herefords. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's that one doing in here? Let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Stay back. Come on, let's go. Oh, you come on. Yeah, 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 hip. Come on, yeah. Come on, Cal. Yeah. Oh, what are you guys doing in here? You're not supposed to be in here. Oh. Whoa, did you see that? She almost got me. That one right there. Yeah, 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 yeah. These girls are kicking machines over here.
Lift it up, Brad.
Up. Good.